Hello, my name is Sunil Indora, working at SGV GPC Bharatpur as lecturer mechanical engineering. Today we will discuss one more application of solar energy in our day-to-day life. Similar to solar water heating systems, solar energy can also be used for heating of building. Heating of building is required during winter season as well as at the location situated in cold climatic regions. So with the help of solar energy, we can heat the building for human comfort. There are two categories of solar heating system for buildings. One is passive solar heating system and second is active solar heating system. In solar heating systems, heat from the sun is absorbed and utilized to heat the living space inside a building to get maximum human comfort. Passive solar heating systems in which the solar energy is collected by some element of building structure itself, or solar energy can be admitted directly into building through windows, door or glass walls. And the second system is active solar heating systems, where solar collectors are used to heat the water or air, and the same can be used for heating of building. First, we will discuss passive solar heating of buildings. In passive solar heating, no mechanical devices such as pump or blower are not required. Passive system operates without pump, blowers or other mechanical devices. The heated air flows through the natural convection process either through windows, doors or glass walls, and this heated air is then circulated inside the living space to warm the living space for human comfort. This solar energy can be entered in a building through an aperture that could be window, door or a glass wall. The solar energy that enters inside the buildings is then trapped and absorbed inside the building, and it raises the temperature inside the building. Solar passive heating systems are more practical at the location with ample sunshine or there are unobstructed solar exposure to building is available. The second system is our active solar heating of buildings. एक्टिव सिस्टम्स जो होते हैं वो सोलर वाटर हीटिंग सिस्टम की तरह ही होते हैं. वी यूज सोलर कलेक्टर टू हीट द लिक्विड और एयर बाय एब्जॉर्बिंग सोलर रेडिएशन. In active heating system, heat is transferred from collector or from storage by conventional equipment such as air pump, blower to the living space to raise the temperature of living space inside the building. The heated liquid or air is then transported inside the building for heating purpose. In this, we need pump or blower or air pump for the transportation of working fluid. Compared to passive solar heating systems, active system can be installed or can be adopted at any location. However, these active heating systems are, due to the use of solar collector and air pumps, blower, etc., are more costly. However, they provide more controlled and efficient temperature compared to passive heating of buildings. So these are two solar heating processes used to heat the building for human comfort. One is active solar heating of buildings, where we use solar energy to heat up the space inside the building through natural process without any mechanical or energy devices. In active solar heating systems, to get more control and efficient temperature, we need solar collector to absorb the solar radiation, and this absorbed solar radiation with the help of working fluid are then transported inside the building with the help of pump, blower or air pump, and with the help of this we achieve more controlled and efficient heating of living space.